So this is the Jeep Wrangler 4XE 2024 Hybrid Edition. So let me give you a little bit about how this vehicle operates. Let's begin. Let me show you a little bit of the front driver's side and give you something that's very important here in Iceland, and this is the headlights. The headlights must be on all the time. In the Jeep Wrangler, the headlight module is located to the left of the steering wheel. Here you have a control wheel. Right now they're off. It's the 0O. If you want to turn them on, you have to rotate to the right to that symbol there. That means the headlights are always on. By law, while you're driving in Iceland, always have your headlights on. The vehicle has a proximity key, so you can have this in your pocket or here on the cup holder. In order to turn on the vehicle, the Wrangler, there's a start engine stop button right on the right side of the steering wheel. So first we need to press the brake pedal in, press it in, and then we're going to hit the start engine stop button. We're going to hold it. You're going to see it's going to say run, and then the vehicle will initiate to start, but you might feel like it's off. That's because the hybrid side of the car, a vehicle, which is the electric, has booted up the engine. As long as the dashboard and everything is on here on the screen, that means the vehicle is on. The Jeep Wrangler, known for its 4x4 performance, has the 4x4 option on the left of the transmission box. In order to activate this option, you need to first have the car in neutral position, and now you can change the 2 high, 4 high, low. You can push it down and then to the right. And then if you want to go even deeper to the 4 low, just push it all the way to the back. Now, very important, in order to bring it back to its normal position, always have the car in neutral position, N, and now you can bring it back up, left, and forward. In case the 4x4 stick gets stuck on when you're on 4 low, it might be tough to get this stick up. You need to put it on D to drive. So we're going to drive just a little bit forward and just a little bit backwards, and that might wiggle the lock system just a little bit. So then you have to put it back in neutral and then try again and try to push it forward, and there it unlocks, and then you can bring it back into the normal position. Fuel type. The Jeep Wrangler takes benzene fuel. That's regular petrol gas. That's the green pump at the gas station. To open up the door for the gas door is located on the left side of the steering wheel. You can see there with the indication. You press and hold. It unlocks the door. And then we're going to go into the back. Driver's side. We open up the gas door. Green pump at the gas station. Benzene, 95 octane. Also, the Wrangler 4XE runs on electric, and to charge the electric side of the vehicle, it's located also on the front driver side. You just push in, the door opens, take out the cap, and then you can connect it to the charging station. Just a quick note, it's not necessary to charge the electric side of the vehicle, as the Wrangler runs mostly on regular gasoline, petrol fuel, and the hybrid side of the vehicle is just for more of the fuel efficiency. All right, now let's head to the trunk, the back side of the vehicle. Open up the door, lift up the back glass. We have the 4 pillows, we have the cooking accessories, chairs, table, water tank, refrigerator cooler, and the 4 sleeping bags. Let me show you how to turn on the stove griddle. This is a portable stove griddle, so you can take it out with you. To turn this on, first, this dial needs to be on off, so make sure it's on off. And then unlock and lock, you need to lock it, so it locks the propane and opens up the gas. And then you have to rotate to on, which is down here, gives it a little bit of gas, and then ignites and it's on. You can see, and then you can control it maximum and minimum. To turn it off, you rotate back to off, and then always make sure that the lever is on lock. And now it can't release any gas. Flip this back over so it fits in the box, close it, and lock it. Pots and pans, drinking cups, bowls, cutting boards, knives. Here's the forks, knives, and spoons. The refrigerator cooler runs on the 12-volt connection, which is inside the car, and this only runs while the car is in motion or the car is on. Now let's move on to the rooftop tent. With the keys, you're gonna have a little lock key that we need to unlock 2 locks to unhook the rooftop tent. So first, we'll get this one here, twist it, opens, latch comes out. Now the second one, and rotate, unlock, open, unhook the latch. All right, now now the rooftop tent is unlocked. We just need to push it up. So I'm just gonna open this back door and just get on top here. There's a handle in the back so you can hold to. And now I'm gonna lift it up slowly, one-handed. There's not that much power needed. And then once it reaches a point, it'll take momentum and lift by itself. And that's just part 1 of 2. We need to take the ladder. The ladder is right on top here and it's folded. There's an extra level that needs to come out. So I'm gonna take out the ladder like it's like an accordion, lift it out, close the door, push it all the way out, and now we can fold out the second piece of the rooftop tent and then slowly bring it down. And now you might have to adjust the ladder a little bit if it's too high. So the ladder has individual locks. So I'm gonna you have to press in and then it'll bring it down. And then slowly you can start adjusting this level of the rooftop tent. Ladder is locked in position. The whole rooftop tent is open. We can climb up and go into the rooftop tent. Inside the rooftop tent, there's the mattress, and you have 2 side windows that zipper up and open, and a beautiful map of the world. And then there's also a roof. There's also a ceiling roof window, moon roof, that you can open up. And this sleeps 4 people. Now, when you're done, you want to fold this back into place. You have, first you have a long strap that's coming from the top. This will help you push it down. And then you have 2 straps right over here to the sides. And this will help grab the fabric and push it inwards so it doesn't fold out when you fold it back in. But first we need to bring the ladder up and we need to fold it back into that accordion. So we have to unlock it by pushing these knobs in slowly, just like that. Get them all in, and now you can fold the entire half piece of the tent over, just like that. Get the straps, get the side straps, and then slowly push it in. And make sure you just check around that none of the fabric is left outside. So just push it back in, lift up the cover, just like that. Go on the other side. Okay. And don't forget the straps, bring them in. Now, once you got everything in, you bring it all down, okay? You bring the hook, you grab the other piece, put it in the hook, lift it, make sure you get your key to lock it back into place. Right there, lock it, that's number 1. And then we do this to the other side. Put it in the hook, get the key, lock it. I hope this video helped you. Now enjoy your time in Iceland.